Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. For those of you who are new, welcome. I'm Jennifer Razon and this is my little space here in the YouTube universe. Today we're going to head back to a place we went to earlier this year for a nice little walk, but today we're going to go for a nice little bike ride. It's been a while since I've ridden my little bike and it's been calling my name ever since, and we're going to take advantage of the good weather we have today, so let's get on going. Thank you so much for joining me on this lovely bike ride along the Santa Fe Recreational Area. I hope you had a really good time, and it's good to get out and get some fresh air, so hopefully you get some more as well. But for now, time to get back into work and see what the rest of the day unfolds. You come back next week because I have a whole new adventure, so you do not want to miss out on any of that. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. Until then, I'll see you all next time.